Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the skiller. I have a video right here of a show now where it's made in China as an advertisement for soap and soap powder and detergent, whatsoever it might be. Now, me want to look on a video first before me say anything else, alright? Observe.
At first it looks like a harmless flirtation. A Chinese woman washing her clothes, luring in an African worker who's been painting her home. But instead of a kiss, he's given a tablet, laundry detergent, then dunked into a washing machine. Moments later he emerges Asian. The suggestion, his color has been washed clean.
You see it? Now, right throughout the world, a lot of people find this video to be disrespectful. A very disrespectful video. A lot of people look at this video as racism. You know? Because a lot of people see this video as a video that shows what China really believe about Africans and African descendants. You see what I said to you? I mean, this video, in my view, right? This video is a very inconsiderate video. That's my view I'm talking about now. Not about other people. I'm talking about my view. In my view, I see this video as very inconsiderate. You get what I'm saying to you? You know how the world stay ready with the whole heap of racism thing where go on and all these things, and you know other people are gonna feel offended about certain things. As me said, there's many different racism where go on. As I say, it's not just black and white thing or black against that or that against that. You get what I'm saying to you? But you know, to make a video and not think about how another nation is going to look at it accordingly. You see what I say? It's disrespectful. For instance, like, you know that the Jews, them, you know the Jews have their own religion. And if you make a video where you're going to use their God doing something like some humorous activities or something that is very disrespectful to them, or maybe eating something that they're not supposed to eat, it's going to be disrespectful to them. So that's inconsiderate. So that is what me look at with this video. But this inconsiderate behavior right here, so is a very high and strong one. The fact that the black guy come over, right, you see me, to meet with that Asian girl, and she push the detergent pill in her mouth and shove him down in the washing machine and wash off the black off of him. That basically say. May I tell you? That's very inconsiderate. You see what I say? Yeah. So it's been a big debate right across the world, you know. Them ask some lady toward the Shanghai place about it. Them a try to squash down the beef and so. You see me? To be honest, I didn't even try to gather any more information about this part of this thing, because really and truly, it's very inconsiderate. But just to make sure that you, my viewers, see what go on. You see me? I say, yeah, and a lot of people throughout the world, especially Africans, look at it as a way that this is what they really think about Africans and African descendants. That's what they think. You see me? I say. But anyways, I don't know, so I bring to you what happened on social media. And I bring it to you to see what really are going on, for you to decide, you know, or give me a view about the whole situation. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?